Bournemouth Pier, a seaside landmark. Bournemouth Pier is one of the most iconic landmarks on the south coast of England, drawing visitors from near and far to experience the beauty of the coastline and the charm of this historic structure. Located in the heart of Bournemouth, the pier stretches 1,000 feet into the sea and offers stunning views of the coastline, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a spot of photography. Originally opened in 1880, the pier has undergone several transformations over the years, with modern additions blending seamlessly with its Victorian heritage. Today, the pier is not only a place for scenic walks, but also home to a variety of attractions, including a café, an amusement arcade, and even an adventure playground for families. For those seeking a bit of thrill, there's the PierZip, a unique zip line that lets riders fly across the pier, offering a bird's-eye view of the stunning surroundings. The pier is also an excellent starting point for exploring Bournemouth's sandy beaches, popular for water sports such as surfing and paddleboarding. The pier's surrounding area is full of restaurants, bars, and shops, making it an ideal spot to relax and enjoy the lively atmosphere after a day of adventure. Bournemouth Pier is not just a part of the town's seaside heritage, but continues to be a hub of activity and enjoyment, offering something for everyone, whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or simply a taste of coastal history. Join us as we take a winter walk along the pier here in January 2024. This is what the pier looks like today, with the crisp winter air and stunning views of the coastline.